Hi, I'm Kanishk. I built VPN only because I wanted one app on a non-Indian IP address without moving my whole Mac. It's easier to show you than explain. So let me quickly show you what happens when you click on buy. One, you get an email straight away with your license key and a link to a setup page that walks through all of this if you'd rather read it. The download is in there too, and it's on the site under install. Now, the first time you open the app after installing it, macOS will refuse. And I want you to expect that. It says it can't verify the developer because I haven't bought an Apple developer certificate yet. That's $99 a year, and I'm paying for it out of the first sales that I get. But to get past it, you just open system settings, go to privacy and security, just click on open anyway. Once you enter your password, VPN only will automatically prompt you to move it to applications and you're done. You can start using it now. Then paste in your license key. The last step is connecting the VPN. And to be clear about what you're buying, VPN only isn't a VPN and doesn't come with one. It uses the one you already pay for. If you're on NordVPN, go to my.nordaccount.com and into NordVPN and then into access token. Once you get an access token, copy it and paste it in here and click on connect. And we're ready. If you're on Mullvad, Proton, IVPN, AirVPN, or a WireGuard server you run yourself, download a config file from them and choose import instead. You can import as many as you like and switch between them on the menu at the bottom. Now let's put it in action. Let's open Safari. Now I've opened Safari and let's do a side-by-side comparison. So right now I'm in India, of course. Now let me turn on VPN only for Chrome. Once you toggle on Chrome, it will ask you to quit and reopen. This is something that it'll do only once, and then it'll ask your password. Once it reopens, let's see what is my IP now. There it is. Chrome is on a Singapore IP address, whereas Safari sitting right next to it hasn't moved. Neither has anything else on my Mac. If you don't want to take my word for it, there's a check button right here, and it shows you the current status. Switch it back off, and you're back again to the Indian IP. One thing that doesn't work is Safari, so I've left it out of the list entirely. Chrome, Firefox, Arc, and Brave are all fine. That's the whole product. The reason that I built it is that I edit in CapCut, and it only works properly for me on a non-Indian IP. I went with Singapore because it's close by, it's fast, and reliably works. But when I connected NordVPN to that, my entire Mac went with it. My browser, my video calls, all of it routed through another country. NordVPN has no split tunneling on macOS at all, and most of the other big providers are the same on Mac. So it's $19 once for 2 Macs. The part that runs as root is open source, so you can read every line of it before you decide to trust it. And if it doesn't work on your setup, email me and I'll refund you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.